Hey everybody, hi, this is Rhonda Love with Grand Manor Magazine, and it's another episode of Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland. I'm so glad to be here with you guys again. Hello to our YouTubers, hello to our Twitters and Facebookers. I am so happy to see you all again. Today is Wednesday. And good news is that we're going to be doing an episode for the remainder of this week. So we're going to be doing many episodes so we can kind of engage with you and give you a short review what's on Grand Manor Magazine's website, because there's always something new. Before we get started, I want to share with you something. If you notice, oh boy, you can see that I have a different bag today that I've been out and about with. This is one of those really cute styles, and what I love about it, I don't know if you guys notice it, a lot of you women probably have this thought. Whenever I see these type of bags, I get nervous about them because you don't want everybody seeing what you have in your bag, and it's see-through. But what I've done as a little trick, so this way you won't be afraid of buying something like this, a tote bag like this, you just get a cute, decorative smaller bag and put it within this tote bag, this bigger bag. So as you can see, I put a little kitty cat, and I use it sort of like as a change purse, or you could probably put your cell phone in it or something, but I pretty much put whatever I want in there. But I use it mostly for like a decoration. And then here's my wallet, and I kind of put that there because sometimes wallets are very decorative as well, or fashionable, so you don't mind putting it in the front. So this way, when I'm walking around with it looks good, right? Okay, so that's my lifestyle tip of my fashion lifestyle tip of the day. So now let me get rid of the bag and let's get going visiting Grand Manor's website. So quickly, I'm going to give you an overview, so hopefully you'll get a chance to go to the website. The website is www.grandmanor.com. So if you look in here today, if you go to our shopping hotspot number 1, you're going to see some very beautiful items. We have some wonderful items if you're an outdoor person, or you like to bicycle, or if you're just going out to get some fresh air, all that wonderful. This is a great bag to have with you, including if you're going back to work. A lot of us are back at work, so this is a great travel bag, and you can carry anything. It keeps your food and your drinks cold. It's a Picnic at Ascot collection, fashion cooler bags, and it was originally $39.10. Now it is only $23.64. You'll notice that there are a lot of sale items are happening now, even though we had Amazon Prime Day on Monday. But as you can see, some of the sales are still sprinkling for the rest of the week. So be sure to shop. Go to the website so you can catch all these wonderful sales and deals with these name brand items. So if you see here, we have a beautiful tote cooler bag, and then here we have the very decorative matching keychain. It's the Pimity multi-functioning keychain key ring bracelet. It's $7.99. We also have the Boston Warehouse flip-flops insulated stemless well, I'm getting tongue-tied. Stemless wine cooler. And what I love about that, notice it has the flip-flops on it, so it gives you a little beach scene. So if you're out there, or either, you know what, my favorite movie, if you ever watch, what is it, Gidget or something, or just, it could be a classic movie. Watch anything you want, anything beachy. I think that would just be a perfect insulated wine cooler to have to put your favorite drink in. It doesn't have to, it could be any type of drink, smoothie, or it could be something healthy, whatever you want. Cranberry juice, I love it. So it's something, this is an item that you definitely want to add as an essential. It is $17.20. Absolutely adorable, very summery. And listen, let me tell you guys, summer is here. A lot of places in the country, it was hitting some high temperatures. And of course, some places it's raining, some places it's sunny. So, but we are in summer. So you want to probably get a couple little items that's not too expensive that you can kind of help you, kind of deal with the heat. So here we have here a lovely stackable bowl set. And as you can see, we have some more bags, tote bags in here. Beautiful dress items, summer dress, and backpacks, and all different types of items. So be sure to go to our shopping hotspot #1 today. Now look, this one here, this item I have to talk about. All the time I'm always talking about, let me sit down here. Oh, I'm always talking about Betsy Johnson, right? Well, I was, we were posting and putting all these different items and searching so we can bring some good items, good stuff for you. So we saw this, Betsy Johnson eye stud earrings. And they're literally eyes. Like you put one eye here and then you put another eye here. I don't know if you noticed my earrings today. These are more like a 60s theme, 60s right here. Of course, the Mad Hatter is more, kind of vintagey a little bit and, very Mad Hattie. But when I saw those earrings, I was like, Betsy, what were you thinking when you designed this, right? I mean, big eye, an eye here, an eye there. So I was like, wow, that's kind of, I don't know if it's, what do you think? You let me know. Comment below. Let me know what your thoughts on this item here. But, I like the price, $26.80. I am a fan of Betsy Johnson. So who knows? I might just buy them and just surprise you guys and put them on my ears, and then we'll deal with it that way. You know what I'm saying? So interesting. So like I said, let me know what you think. Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these lovely episodes that I'm doing. These little pop-in episodes. So as you can see, we have some very beautiful items. So be sure to go in and check that out. Now, Jumpstart Your Day, our newest issue, woohoo, is out. I am so excited. We posted it today. Those of you that are subscribers, you're probably very excited. Please go in. We have some wonderful, the theme is sweet potatoes. And what I love about it is sweet potatoes are so accessible. They're a vegetable that you definitely, it's sort of like it's like we have our fashion with the closet essentials. Well, for food, the sweet potato is it. And definitely it is something you want to keep in your kitchen. You can bake them. You can do so much with them. So we have some really fabulous recipes. And I want to thank our friends at Honest Earth, and of course, Kaki Ink. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then, of course, we have some other lovely recipes in there as well. Let me hang on one second. I'm going to dash away real quick and pull this out. Wait, I'm coming right back. I'm not going anywhere. I just want to make sure. So kind of share with you. We have some beautiful downloads and print-offs, sweet potato recipes. We have word searches in there. So those of you that love to do those type of games and stuff, that's in there as well. And you can, I've already did mine already. I started putting mine in here and crossing off, but definitely go in and print off these if you are a subscriber to Grand Manor Magazine. If you don't subscribe, you're going to miss out on all these wonderful things that you can have and add to your recipe book, and then also some wonderful games that you can play with the family, or you can do alone, get a cup of coffee or your smoothie and just solve this wonderful word search puzzle. We have other puzzles in there, crossword puzzles. We have some great comics in there that'll make you laugh, and we have a vintage series in there. My lips are sealed. I can't say anymore unless you're a subscriber. You'll see it. It's brand new. It's a series that's in there, and it's like next week you'll see the next comic. It's sort of like the superhero comics in a way, but I think it's from way back. It's really, really cool. I don't want to say any more, but definitely you want to check that out. I might say something about it at the end of this week, kind of slip out a few things, but the powers may not allow me to say it, so I don't know. I can't tell you everything unless you're a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, definitely go into our website, go to our subscription page, and subscribe today so you can see all these wonderful things I'm talking about. And then we have the flourless butter cookies, and that's with our friends at the Georgia Peanut Commission. Hey guys, thank you. Love it and stuff. And you can definitely check out their website. And we have some wonderful websites. That's another thing too. When you do subscribe to our magazine, you get to visit all these other different websites and see what everybody else is doing and see tons and tons of recipes that other people have as well. You know, on our website, we have some Twitterers that are they do some incredible food items, incredible foodalicious, delicious items in there. I mean, not items. Oh my God, I'm still in the shopping room. But delicious foods. Give you some great menu ideas. You know, because sometimes you're trying to think of what to cook and what can you make for your family. So we have some wonderful recipes in there. And again, I love this. This is the mini Ras Crushed Tarts from the Washington Red Raspberry Commission. I absolutely love this recipe, and definitely you can print it off. Now, when you do print these items off, they're really great. Just print them off, and it's easy to do, not hard, and then you can add them to your recipe books or whatever, and definitely visit these folks' websites because they really have some great recipes that they've come up with, okay? So we love it that we can host and have all these people there, and we want to thank all of the people, the sources out there that help us to put this together. So we really do appreciate that. So definitely, if you're a subscriber, please go in and you'll enjoy it. We also have some wonderful lifestyle editorials in there. Really some great stuff, and some celebrity stuff as well. We have a Q&A celebrity in there as well, to find out the different questions that people are asking about some very well-known celebrities. So you'll get a chance to get a view about what's going on in the Hollywood scene. So we also have that in there as well. So be sure to check out the website and go in if you're a subscriber, and be sure to do your read. Now, once you subscribe, for those of you that are not subscribers, it's so simple. You just go in to www.grandmanor.com, and then what you would do, and I'm trying to think if I remember the password, but if you go in, you would click here where it says click on a subscriber, and then basically it would take you to our subscription page. So as you can see right there, and then you would just basically type in the username and password that we give you when you subscribe. So it's definitely something that you'd want to be a part of and to have some fun with, okay? So definitely go in, and then of course we talk here. You'll find out about our Mad Hatter shopping party that we always do with you guys, that we just did with you today, and we usually post our most recent video right there. So in case you missed the video, let's just say you missed today's episode, no problem. Just go into the website and you get a chance to see the episode that you missed, okay? So definitely go and do that. So again, you will enjoy and have a wonderful time today. I'm glad we were able to show you our shopping hotspot number 1. And then the second thing I want to take to you, and very, very quickly, I'm cursoring really fast on here on the website. I'm going to the recipe page, so be sure to check out the recipes that we have posted. We posted 2 new ones today for you guys to review and also to download, and you can print off the recipe. That's the kids charcuterie snack board, definitely from our friends over at the watermelon.org. So definitely check that out. There's a video to show you how to make this and to do this snack board. It's really very nice. It has all different types of favorable foodie items on there, like the watermelon, the cucumber slices, and then you have the watermelon sticks, and you can just put them over. It's just so delightful. Kids love it. They can go in, and while they're playing, after they finish playing, they can come in and grab a very nutritious snack along as well. So we have that recipe in there. And of course, if you can't figure out what to make and you want something light to eat this week, you probably want to check out the Fresh Vegetable Summer Roll. It's very easy to make, and this, of course, delightful recipe is courtesy of the American Heart Association and the American Diabetes Association. So definitely check this recipe out. There's a video to show you how to make it, as well as you can print off the recipe. So listen, guys, have a wonderful Wednesday. Have a fabulous rest of today, and thank you for letting me into your world. And again, this is Rhonda Love, Mad Hatter Diva, and her Wonderland.